Hello YouTubers, welcome to another repair time video. This time we have an acoustic guitar amplifier from the brand Ultrasound. I've have some bit of experience with this brand long ago. The shop that I work for used to brought in this amp here for sale. They were quite an okay, if quite a good amp, if not the best amp, because at the time I only know about Chris Elliott. Then years later I come to know about other acoustic amp good brands such as from Germany. I think it's AER, and yeah, we sold some of that too later on, and Fishman. So apparently, from what I can dig from the internet, this ultrasound brand is gone now. I think they were bought by Dean Markley, I think, and they were shelved. And then I think same goes for Dean Markley. I think they were owned by other companies. I think it was could be Kaman Corporation. Yeah. And this amp was given to my customer. It was a gift. It was abandoned amp from the storage, and it was from his brother's storage, given to him, and then he brought it to me for check. And obviously what I can discover is the pots were jammed, and then he tried to move it around using pliers, and then it made it quite much worse than it is now. So as you can see, the volume shaft is gone. The level is the not sure what you call this. The shaft is broken. The notch filter is broken. The EQ section knobs and pots are still okay by finger feel, and it can turn on. And I've did turn on this amp. It has some distortion on the speaker. By the way, this is I believe this is a stereo amp, stereo acoustic amp. It has two speaker in front here, 8-inch speaker, and the controls are quite simple to operate. There's not sure whether you can see. Let me put the thing much closer. Yeah. So as you can see, this is the direct out. I'm not sure what's this pre-post input for the guitar, from the guitar. There's a send return here, and digital onboard effects, volume, bass, treble, and notch. Notch is, I believe, is to cancel any feedback microphonic that interacts between your acoustic guitar and the amp itself. Yeah. And we have on off for the notch filter, and the shape could be the face button. The model is AG-50DS. This is the back of the amp. So it's made by USA by Ultrasound Amplifiers, 240 version, obviously. Headphone out, stereo line out, mono line out, and quite simple to understand from the control layout. The covering is quite nice actually. Apparently most acoustic amp come with such kind of colors, either dark brown or grey, something like that, to distinguish itself from a guitar, electric guitar amplifier. So I'm gonna open up this amp, and there's an envelope here. So the owner did cap the knobs for the amps. So obviously I'm gonna have to check the value of the potentiometers, and we're gonna disassemble the amplifier. Of course we need power for that first. Okay, so I'm gonna move my camera now, and let's have a close look at this amplifier. Nice long speaker leads there to enable for me to put the controls unit. A lot of multitasking as usual. I need to refocus my camera and those kind of thing. Let's move it gently, and perhaps put my camera on something that has some height to it, so we can have a look. So please be patient. So from far apart, this is the amp layout. You can see some boards there, some daughter boards. I think this is the digital onboard effects, power transformer, the input power supply, some filter caps there. I believe this is part of the this board here, which is the power amp and the power supply. This is the, I believe, the controls board for the front panel, power switch there. Yeah, directly to the transformer, and then it goes out to the the power switch receive voltage from the main supply, and goes to the transformer, and then goes out. The secondary goes out here and then goes here, which I believe has a full bridge rectifier over there. So yeah, this is the onboard effects made by Alesis. Some modification there, and speaker itself is not from any known manufacturer, so can't see because it's too dark. Yeah, let's turn on the light. So it's a 30 watt 8-inch from what I can decipher. It's an 8 ohm impedance, 30 watt, made in Taiwan, 8-inch, requires 2, and one of these or either both are quite distorted sound. Either the origin of the distorted tone comes from the speaker itself, or the power amp on the power amp circuit board, which is there's two IC there, power amp IC, must be some TDA or LM series, two, one for each speaker. I hope the problem is from the IC itself is much easier to sort the IC rather than the speaker itself, because it's if one of it is spoiled or deteriorate or not in good order, changing one is okay, but changing two is better or for the best result. Yeah, and yeah, I'm gonna pause the video and open up the amp, and let's look at the amp internal parts much closer.